Hi guys! Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Boobs Life and Dailies. We are cooking the pandesal. And it's done! Tadaan! Look at my pandesal. So yummy. Let's eat guys. Sarap ng pandesal. Let's eat guys. Pandesal or din pandesal and coffee. Pandesal. Always cooking na pandesal because I know na how to cook pandesal. And put butter there. Put butter or margarine. Let's eat guys. Hopefully you have some more.
Where the mindset is of some of these rampant ideologues in the Democrat Party.
Well, it tells me it's been completely overtaken by a bunch of Marxist gobbledygook. I mean, what you just read there and showed on screen is absurd. I mean, anybody with a brain looks at that and is like, are you kidding me? But once again, today's Democrat Party has been captured by these loonies. I mean, they've really become the party of the mentally unstable lunatics. And this is why it is absolutely vital we get back to law and order. What the president is doing here is just the right thing, whether it's calling out the guard in LA, whether it's protecting those who wear the badge now, turning off the money from all of these nonprofits who are laundering it, turning off the taxpayer funds.
Who is selling pandesal in the neighbor? Pandesal! Hot pandesal! But not allowed here guys. I was allowed to selling pandesal around my neighbor there because I cook this.
American workers and seemingly replacing them with foreign workers. Microsoft just laid off 9,000 employees
Let's eat guys.
and was planning to fill thousands.
Our channel needs live in the US. To this video guys, we went to unboxing from Amazon Prime. I don't know what is this now because I have lot of order on Amazon because Amazon is on sale plus DVD sale. So we need to unboxing. Unboxing this thing. More coming order guys from Amazon Prime because sale guys Amazon. Nag-sale ang Amazon. Oh wow! Paper plate pala to guys from Amazon. It's paper plate. Yeah. 150 guys. And then cost look like $10. Oh, $10 only. If you buy this in Walmart, cost like $14. So we must cheaper. A lot of people with, and the design is so very good. I like the design. I wish I can open. No, I have open because still have people. Oh, I have. What is this? Looks like a key. Ah, the key of the showcase. Nosporin. Ah, pain reliever pala to. Nosporin. And that's it. And that's it. You need to bring this open. I need to open guys and show you the paper plate. That's fine to open. Because usually I have still paper plate guys that buy from Walmart. But this one is so good. The design is so good. Look at the design. I like the design they is showing. And the reheat it for 10 minutes then. Chicken must be 165. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and cooking. Once the chicken and fries. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out everyone. Shout out with Arnelis Montagano. It's she and Ernest Pulmina. Shout out. Tambol Vlog. Tambol US. Shout out. 3, 2, 1. Must be 165. Little bit only because I not eat too much chicken. We eat only small amount of chicken. Now it's time to cook the beans rice. I need to cook the beans. Be really easy to cook if you have air fryer. This is 400 guys for 8 minutes. It's done. Guys, bon appetit, guys. Let's eat, guys. Yummy. French fries if hot is yummy, but if cool down is not good na. Huh? Much better hot. Let's try. Huh? Ang parcel, abot na. Abot ang parcel, guys. Hi guys, another parcel guy arrived this afternoon. The one this morning and this one this afternoon. I have lot of order in Amazon guys. We need to unboxing this guy. I don't know what is this inside. Let's check. Whoa. What is this? Ah, showcase again, guys. Luggage. Another luggage, guys. One for me, one for my husband. Another showcase. And another showcase. Oh, I have two showcase na guys. No zipper guys. Same black guys, because if you buy the other color, the price is so high. Different. So this. Zipper siya guys. Zipper, so not easy to open. But my husband watching some video guys, because her bag like this is not to carry to open, because they forgot the code number over here. So if you forgot the code number, you cannot open the luggage. But if you have a key, guys, it's scary to open like this. This key, my husband ordered this few days ago and then arrived this key this morning. If you use this key guys, you can open over here. So ensure it's not 100% safer, but But unless somebody have like this, they carry to open over here, because you can order this online. So I'm sure maybe maybe one of the employee in the airport is have key like this, so carry to open over here. You can open right here. Let's try this. I don't know, because the other one is carry guys, right there. But if they have no key, they cannot open over here. Open na pala ito eh. Still open. Carry to open over here. If somebody have key, because allowed to buy key. But they don't allow you to carry that key roaming around. Unless me is allowed, because I have like this in the luggage. Because sometimes you forgot the code number, so you cannot open here. You cannot open the luggage. But I'm sure maybe the TFC is have key. I don't know guys. I don't know. I'm not sure guys. But usually my husband buy a key to open this luggage. So the key is one size only over here. So in short, still is not 100% safe. Even no safe, because if you have own key, you carry to open over here like that guys. And waiting another package arrive. I don't know if later afternoon, late evening or something, maybe have another package arrive. It's two lang. Ready to travel. One for me, one for my husband. And that's it guys. Have two bag na. The two bag guys is ready na guys. Ready to travel. Okay, bye guys, and thank you so much everyone. God bless you all.